For centuries, spirituality has shaped how humans make sense of the world. But only recently have we begun to understand what it does to the brain. Let's start with meditation, one of the most studied spiritual practices. Neuroscience shows that regular meditation literally reshapes the brain. Structural MRI scans reveal increased gray matter in areas like the prefrontal cortex, linked to decision-making and emotional control, and the hippocampus, which supports memory and learning. Functional MRI studies go further, showing reduced activity in the brain's default mode network, which means improved focus and less mind-wandering. Meditators also show stronger connections between emotional and cognitive centers, leading to lower stress and anxiety. And that's not all. Meditation even changes your brain chemistry. It boosts neurotransmitters like GABA, serotonin, and dopamine, all of which are associated with calm, happiness, and reward. But meditation isn't the only path. Let's talk about mediumship, the practice of connecting with spirits. In trance states, mediums show increases in slower brainwaves like theta and alpha, which are also seen in deep meditation. Brain regions like the temporal lobes, involved in sensory and spiritual experiences, show heightened activity. Some studies suggest reduced self-awareness during trance states, reflecting shifts in the prefrontal cortex. These altered states can bring emotional healing and comfort, and even lower fear responses by calming the amygdala. Other spiritual practices also affect the brain. Take prayer. It activates the prefrontal cortex and anterior cingulate cortex, areas linked to empathy, emotional regulation, and social connection. Participating in rituals or attending services lights up the brain's reward centers, giving a sense of purpose and belonging. Even spiritual fasting can reshape the brain by increasing levels of BDNF, a protein that boosts learning and memory. In short, spirituality doesn't just shape beliefs, it shapes brains. Whether through quiet meditation, communal prayer, or mystical rituals, spiritual practices rewire the mind in ways that promote healing, insight, and emotional balance. And as neuroscience advances, we'll keep uncovering how these age-old traditions nurture modern minds.